I've been seeing the girlies rocking their curly hair with a cute style in the front, similar to what you see here. And I decided to reinstall my half wig, but I wanted to straighten it and see if those curls would revert back. And y'all, it did just that. Keep on watching to see these styles and how I did it. I've been wanting some curly hair. I've been wanting to wear my curly hair. I'm not currently in the total natural state to just wear my curls free. So I'm going to be reinstalling my half wig with lace, but we're going to be styling the front and making this a protective style while doing so. So I'm going to go ahead and get my front taken care of. I'm thinking of like a half style, half wig. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'll come back once I have the front or however I want my base to be done. I decided to style my hair in cornrows. This way, once I took this wig off, my hair is literally still ready to go to be worn by itself as a natural protective style. If you're not someone who knows how to cornrow to the scalp, you can always substitute for flat twists, or you can do connections with the rubber bands, and that can still be a really cute style. I'm taking a rubber band and positioning my hair in a low bun. You're not going to be able to tell underneath this wig because it is curly hair. This is a quick look at my half wig with lace. It is still a 3-in-1 half wig. It just comes with the upgraded lace feature. It has a drawstring, it has an adjustable strap, and it is so perfect to fake a natural look and for the convenience of it being ready to be worn natural in seconds. The combs near the lace part makes it even more seamless with the adjustable strap, and one thing that I did to hide the lace was go in and just add a little bit of my black hairspray to help that lace part blend more with my hair. You can always skip that step and just line up your lace, or you can use the hair and completely cover the lace and you won't be able to tell. I wanted to test this hair not only to tell if it was straightened, but to see if the curls would revert back. Spoiler alert, they definitely do. I had to stop and admire the natural stretch look for a second, but we got to get back to the mission. We're going to straighten this hair. When I tell you this hair shocked me, it straightens to this beautiful kinky straight texture, very similar to a blowout silk press on natural hair. So I love, love, love that for the versatility of this wig. In the spray bottle, I have some water, just like our natural hair when we get silk presses and we try to revert our hair right after it gets flat iron. It takes a little time. So I can be honest and say it took me about 3 to 5 minutes of just diluting the hair, adding some conditioner in it, and brushing it to get the curls to revert back. It came back like they never left. I literally sprayed some water, took my hands and raked the hair upward, brushed it out, added some conditioner, and the curls came back. So just watch this process as you see me get these curls to get back popping. As you can tell, it's straightened hair. You can start to see a soft wave, and it's going to eventually turn into a curl. I did go in with some Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. That's what I chose to use. I love it on my natural hair and on my wig, so that's what I used. I'm pretty sure any conditioner will give you the same results. Just make sure you're using some type of conditioner to weigh that hair down to get the curls to bounce back. If trusting the process was a person, it would be me because these curls came right back. I literally just kept on giving them some love, using my demi brush to spiral and define the curls, and we were good to go. I did go in with a diffuser blow dryer just to give the curls some type of scrunch so it can help revert back, and this is what we're looking like. Y'all, I am so in love with this wig. Hergivenhair, shout out to y'all for this upgraded half wig with the lace because it is very much versatile and easy to style for that very realistic and natural finish. I still don't have any cons for this wig. I've worn it and reinstalled it so many times, but this was actually my first time styling in the front, and I'm very excited and satisfied with my results. Stay tuned for the rest of the video to show how I easily styled this hairstyle. In this cute half up, half down. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? And while you're down there, please feel free to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love to have you a part of my journey as we take off together. And big shout out to Hergivenhair. All the information on this wig will be down below, so if you want to check it out, please feel free to do so. And also I have some links for some previous videos that I did with this half wig with the lace, so check those out if you want to see how I styled this wig with leave out to make it look super realistic, but that will be down below for your convenience. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye y'all.